Hello everyone, and how are you doing today? In today's phonics lesson, we will learn the sound of the letter S. This is the letter S and it makes the sound S. S. Let's try saying a few words which start with the S sound. S is for sun. S, s, sun, sun. S is for star. S, s, star, star. S is for sock. S, s, sock, sock. S is for sandwich. S, s, sandwich, sandwich. S is for sleep. S, s, sleep, sleep. S is for sack. S, s, sack, sack. S is for spoon. S, s, spoon, spoon. S is for snail. S, s, snail, snail. S is for snowman. S, s, snowman, snowman. And don't forget me. S is for snake. S, s, snake, snake. We did so many words starting with the S sound. Can you think of any more? You can tell me in the comment section, taking the help of your mama and papa. That is all in today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you would like to see more such videos, subscribe to this channel. See you very soon in another video. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.